Hello everyone. So I am back with everyone's favorite, the Kali Oracle today. So I hope you all will enjoy the readings today. Do like the channel, do subscribe the channel, leave a comment as to how you feel the readings are. So let's flip the first card. It's a beautiful card, Lalita Tripura Sundari. The second card, okay, it's a Bhuvaneshwari. So first let's talk about these two amazing cards, the Lalita Tripura Sundari and the Bhuvaneshwari. Both of them, I really love working with them because I guess if this reading has come before, I would have told you Tripura Sundari is the third Devi in the Dashamahavidya, and she is a divine lady, and she basically teaches us how to cleanse ourselves, how to, when I say cleanse ourselves, how to cleanse our minds and how to clean our minds, how to work on our inner beauty, how to work on ourselves and not worry about the outer world. She is a lady who will always give you what you desire, who will always bless you the way you want. And so today, whatever you desire, just look at her, keep your hand in your heart, and just speak to her. Tell her, oh beautiful goddess, goddess of passion, oh dear loving mother, I bow my head to you. I want your blessings. I need to be humble the way you are, my divine mother. Help me, show me your presence, bless me so that my day goes blessed. Now, coming to the next beautiful lady, the Bhuvaneshwari. She is another beautiful, beautiful cosmic mother, and she is a lady of hope. She protects not only us, she also protects everything that is needed. She brings in fulfillment, she brings in health. So today health will be good, it will be a day of fulfillment. You will feel as if the unwanted things are going away from your life, a lot of blessings are coming in your life. You will feel it's fulfilled because she is looking at you. Can you see the card? She is looking at you. So today, close your eyes, visualize this third eye, through your third eye, and just pray to her. Imagine the energies from the third eye entering your third eye and energizing your whole body, and tell her, I open my heart and welcome you. I open my mind and welcome you. I am open to your blessings, O Ma Bhuvaneshwari. Bless me, bless me, bless me. Today's color is orange, and today, if you can chant some Kali mantra or the Bhuvaneshwari mantra, you get all the mantras nowadays in YouTube. So, chant the Bhuvaneshwari mantra, and if possible, offer some sweets to some lady. And if you can donate a red sari to someone in need, then Ma Devi will bless you more abundantly. Have a beautiful and a blessed day ahead. Thank you.